Good morning! Good morning everyone! Happy Thursday! Wow, kalahati na naman ang linggo. How's our week going? Kumustamos? Happy Thursday and good morning po. Dito sa Ontario, Canada, it's 11:22 AM po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope you guys are doing well. You're happy, you're healthy, you're safe, you're having fun, and enjoying life. Diba? Anyhow, kumusta? So, shout out sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat. I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. So, mapabago man kayo umupaluma, talagang appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you sa mga comment nyo sa page ko, sa mga share nyo sa aking mga post. I appreciate you guys very much. Maulan na morning dito sa Ontario, Canada. So, yeah. So, anyhow, quick lang siguro tayo. Oh, thank you. 1 million viewers. Thank you very much. But anyhow, quick lang siguro tayo because talagang tawag nun, minsan kasi nakikick out ako, lalo na ngayon medyo masama ang panahon. It's my internet's not stable. Oh, thank you sa mga hearts diyan, the flying hearts. Thank you. Thank you, Jane. Thank you for watching. Anyhow, yeah, so nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption, the danger of chasing instant gratification. Ano ba yun? Hello po. Hi, kumusta? Thank you for tuning in. Yeah. So ano bang ibig ko sabihin diyan? Because again, maraming tao na talagang ang gusto tawag nun, walang pasensya na gagawin yung dapat na gawin. Ang gusto kumita kaagad. So I'm talking about na sa mga nakakausap ko sa aking regarding my business. So yung mga tao na nagre-reach out, asking on how the business works, how this business can benefit them, all of those things. Okay, so super Rosemary, thank you for watching. Super dami ng interested. So, ang dami. Because if I'm going to ask you guys, would you like to have freedom? Would you like to have a life wherein you have freedom to choose, Bararak, thank you for watching. Wherein you have freedom to choose when you work, where you work, like, you are working on your own terms. And thank you for watching. Everybody will say yes, diba? Everybody will say yes. Pero guess what? Iilan lang ang magtatrabaho para makamit yun. Diba? Tess, thank you for watching. Wow, dami nyo guys. Thank you. I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you na sinasamahan nyo ako. Yeah, so anyhow, because I'm just so inspired. Siguro, hello, Ems, thank you. Siguro nakita niyo yung, thank you sa mga hearts diyan. Siguro nakita niyo yung pinost ko kahapon. No, I mean, siguro last night iyon. Siguro, madaling araw kung nandiyan kayo sa Pilipinas. But anyhow, it doesn't matter. Ang ano ko doon is, of course, I'm inspiring you guys. Woohoo! Thank you. Yeah, ang dami kong watcher today. Thank you. So, what I'm trying to say is that nakita nyo yung video, Marianita, video with one of the power couple dito po sa aming business community. So, ano lang po yun? Isa lang po sila pero ang dami na. So if you watch the video, ang sabi nila is they've been doing this business for 7 years. They paid off their Enelra, thank you for watching. Marianita, thank you. They paid off their house almost $800,000, right? And they paid paid it off for just a few years because they've been in business for 7 years. Mantakin nyo yan. 7 years lang sila dito sa business. Milyonaryo na. Now, tanungin nyo sarili nyo. How many years you have been working in the company? Would there be any company out there that will give you, that can pay you $1 million a year? Even kung magtrabaho pa siguro kayo ng 24 hours, not unless kung CEO kayo or whatever, but they are ordinary people. You heard them. Before, they used to make $30,000 a year. Tapos ngayon, mag-jump ka into $1 million. Diba? Now, kaya ko sinasabi ito, kaya related ito doon sa sinabi kong topic wherein ang sabi ko diyan, instant gratification, because yan ang napapansin ko. Maraming may gusto na umasenso, however, maraming walang pasensya na gagawin ang negosyo. Because, yes, there are lots of millionaires, but those people work hard to get into where they are. So, hindi ibig sabihin na porket nag-start ka is you're gonna be a millionaire in 7-10 years. How? Kung hindi mo gagawin. Katulad na lang nung may nakausap ako, nag-reach out sa akin. And then she mentioned to me, is this kind of business, blah, 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 blah. I guess I am a member since 2000-something, 9 years ago. And she said, when I started with these people. And kilala ko yung sinasabi niyang mga tao, which are also millionaires now. You know what she said to me? She said to me na walang nagtuturo sa kanya. No. Rosemary, thank you for watching. No. If nobody will teach you, there is the training site. Pare-pareho kami ng access. Pare-pareho tayo ng access. There is the training site, madaming resources. Kung naging milyonaryo, like, you know, look at this. Kung naging milyonaryo yung isa, bakit ikaw hindi? Severina, thank you for watching. Bakit ikaw hindi? Where you're using the same system. You both have 24 hours a day. Like, so anong look at this picture. Anong mali doon? And then ang sabi niya sa akin, kasi walang nagtuturo sa akin. Reach out. There's a lot of people. Kasi naalala ko nga nung bago pa lang ako, I reach out to somebody na hindi ko nga alam, hindi ko nga kilala, hindi ko kalinya. Nasa Italy siya, nandito ako sa Ontario, Canada, pero tinulungan niya ako. The problem is, wala kang pasensya na mag-reach out. Wala kang pasensya na bigyan ng time ang negosyo mo, sarili mong negosyo, but you have time to work for somebody for 12, 14 hours, 16 hours just for a paycheck. Yes, we need to work. However, yung pinutin mo na time doon, yung extra hour mo doon sa trabaho mo para makakuha ka ng paycheck, if you do like your extra hour para sa yung extra hour na in-extend mo doon sa employment mo, kung ginawa mo yan, putting extra hour a little bit every single day para sa business mo, saan ka na kaya ngayon? Nabubulol ako. You probably be one of the millionaires too. So yun. Nasa sa atin yun, nasa mindset natin yun. So yun yung ibig kong sabihin diyan. So kasi ang kalimitan kasi is, katulad lang kanina, may kausap ako. She was ready to pay the initial investment para makita niya lahat yung $149 which is refundable within the 30 days period. And she thought na kikita ako doon. No, I won't, and you won't either. Sabi ko sa kanya, no, because that's the problem. Ang gusto natin na andyan kaagad ang result. No. Nung nag-aral ka ba, ilang taon ba inaral mo? Nag-aral ako ng 4 years sa college. May kita ba ako? No. I was investing for myself. So the same way, either na nasa negosyo ka, sariling negosyo mo, or panibagong trabaho, especially kung panibagong employment, di ba magti-training ka? Di ba? So it's the same thing. Especially if you own the business like us, we are our own boss. So talagang dapat may sariling palo ka. Hindi yung kasi hindi uusad ang negosyo mo na andyan na yan. Na andyan ang training side, may mentor ka na gagabay sa iyo, nasa sa iyo yun, nag-reach out ka ba sa mentor mo? Or kung hindi man na ka nasagot sa mentor mo, may pasensya ka ba para maghintay? Di ka? Right? Because you have to understand, of course, we have our own life too. Pero, binibigyan namin kayo ng time para maturuan. Ang problema, nag-reach out ka ba? May pasensya ka ba para maghintay? Yun ang problema. Kasi, ang gusto mo kaagad ay naandyan. Isang pindot lang, naandyan na ang sagot. Para bang ginugol mo lang. Di ba? Tanungin mo si Google, tanungin mo si ChatGPT, di ba nandiyan kaagad ang sagot? Yan ang gusto mo, wala kang pasensya. So ano ang success mo? Walang pasensya din sa iyo. Di ba? Ganun lang yun. Ha? So yeah, so anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So yung kasi yung talagang napapansin ko, yan ang napapansin ko, na talagang wala tayong pasensya. Wala tayong pasensya na i-grow yung sarili natin para ma-grow yung business natin or ma-grow natin kung ano man yung nasa employment tayo or whatever. This is applicable for anything that we do in our life. Hindi lang sa negosyo, but if you want to succeed in this business, especially Angel, thank you for watching. Anything that you do in your life, you have to learn first. Learn before you earn. Diba? Nag-aral ka na ilang taon sa kolehiyo. Kumita ka ba? No. All you did was learning and learning and learning and learning every single day. Pero nagtiyaga ka ng 4 years na wala kang kinita. Dito sa business, ilang ano lang, maraming kumikita dito na weeks lang, na months lang. Yung iba nakakapag-retire ng less than a year. Diba? Pero, bakit wala kang tiyaga, ilang taon ka na sa employment mo? Diba? Think about it. Think about it. Ba? Kasi mahilig tayo sa yung susunod lang ba na yung hindi tayo gagawa ng yung bang ang mentality natin is employees mentality. Ang mentality natin is work hard, long hours so you can save money. Right? Reggie, thank you for watching. Angel, thank you. So you can save money. Not like pagka negosyante ka kasi, your mindset is I'm gonna make my money work for me. I'll invest on this, work on this, do whatever I need to learn para ma-grow ko ang negosyo ko. That is the mindset ng negosyante. At natutunan natin lahat yan. Ang problema lang, if you're not willing to learn, then you will stay where you are. Diba? Kahit ilang taon ka pa. Ilang taon ka na dyan, diba? Make sense ba, guys? Thank you. Ang dami-dami niyo. My goodness, maraming salamat. I hope it makes sense, but hindi na ako magtatagal. Malapit na naman ako. Buti na lang, hindi tayo na-kick out. But anyhow, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Nene, thank you for watching. Magpapaalam na po ako. And I appreciate you guys again. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Ang dami-dami niyo today. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday. And ingat po. God bless everyone. Thank you.